Welcome back to the show!
Hello, everybody!
We're fucking...
It's a horrible game.
No, it's a great game.
Oh, fuck you.
We had a smoke break so we can cough into the microphone more.
As soon as you say... Holy God.
Okay. What did we just do?
I forgot.
I
I asked him about the bike.
Oh.
Emma.
Yeah.
Says it's Simon's cousin's.
Who
Who the hell is Simon's cousin?
I don't remember. I don't remember what we were doing. Just, you can click
At
on
least
some things.
All the red ones are what I haven't asked. Well,
Yeah.
I can't use it on her fucking face, though.
You could ask her about the bottles.
bottles.
I think. Yeah, there we go.
Because she's an
What's the
alcoholic.
stack of bottles outside?
What's the
Oh,
stack
that's
of
all Simon's
bottles?
stuff. You better ask him. I don't know.
Oh, that's Simon's stuff. There's like 4 different kinds of bottles.
Well, now you can go visit Simon.
Yeah.
Thank
this
you.
Dish douche.
Probably be back later.
Probably. Still 5 o'clock. I can't ask him about the fucking bird. Let's go. See here. Whose bike?
Whose is the bike outside?
Oh, it's
Oh,
him.
that's my cousin's. He lent me it. I need to buy a new lock for it, though.
So it's your bike at the moment.
Yeah. There's no bus service to speak of around here, so it's really the only way to get around.
Like, no.
You have a
like,
car. It showed a car on the map, I swear to God. Whose bottles?
I noticed a lot of bottles outside. I think.
I wouldn't call that a
Yeah,
lot
my homeroom.
because I have
Well,
2
no,
empty
I
12
give it out
packs
to my friends
in the
and
kitchen
stuff.
right now.
I tried selling it at first, but I didn't have any takers, except for James over at Farmhouse. I used to trade it to him for herbs and stuff.
Do you see James a
Herbs.
lot?
Yeah.
No, not really.
Herbs.
Herbs. Yeah, exactly.
God. Simon's.
Maybe like the pendant and stuff and the card. Can you ask him?
See, I wanted to ask about the pen because, but it won't let me.
There you go.
Okay.
There we go.
You know what this is?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I
You know what this is?
I love that
Actually,
fucking
you know what,
acting in
King?
this
God.
game. It's so bad.
I remember
So
because
horrible.
I asked her about it one night when we were all out drinking in
You
college.
have 2 different colors. Look at his face.
Probably
See?
pretty drunk.
He made
That's
a
what college
contradiction,
is
I
all
think.
about.
They were out drinking and he's like, he didn't talk to her much. But like,
I think Emma had a
Kate, yeah, Kate had that. And then it was like her death or her driver's license or something.
Yeah, the death because she was alcoholic.
Didn't socialize,
Wait. Yeah.
I think.
Oh, come on!
So it's fucking...
Whoa. Often seen drunk. At Atlas. Wait, what the hell was it? It was this one. Oh my.
that was something. Swear to God.
The
there's
whole
like,
thing is like
yeah, there's a
contradicting.
fucking contradiction. I just don't remember how to fucking figure it out.
Only known her for 3 months. Didn't socialize with Kate outside of Atlas.
Yeah.
She was drinking in Atlas. And
He's like, didn't socialize with
Didn't
her outside of
socialize.
Atlas, but he just said
yeah.
he was out drinking with her. But I can't fucking...
Right, it doesn't see James very. Only sold to James. Mother of God.
I can't remember.
Exit or visit? I mean, I have to do this to get to the next place, I think.
There was something. There's a contradiction, obviously. I just can't remember how the fuck...
Yeah, but why wouldn't he know anything about the These are green. I don't know what that means. These are red. Just because I can't stab him in the face with a screwdriver, I guess. I like place.
Thank you. Probably be back later.
Maybe I can ask her because he just said something about. Maybe not.
No. Try exit and go outside. Maybe there's
Yeah.
something else.
That's all for the moment. Thank you.
Fucking shit.
Hold on. Click on the light bulb thing.
Right, well, that's a hint thing, right?
Yeah.
You should call the chief. I swear to God. You also haven't asked Emma about the home brew.
Oh, there we go.
I was just gonna, and it didn't. Maybe I clicked on the wrong thing. I think I
No,
clicked
you
on
asked
the
about
bike.
the bottles, and now
Yeah.
homebrew is there. So,
What am I missing?
hold on. Scroll down some. You can go down.
Oh,
Yeah,
there we
it
go.
is.
I'm an idiot.
Yeah.
Have you
You
ever
disagree
tried
to me
Simon's
because I said
homebrew?
I'm an idiot?
See, no, I don't like beer.
No hit for you
I
tonight.
only drink wine. I can't stand spirits either.
Oh, the spirits.
Hold on. Maybe I think she said something about
Only
drinking,
drinks
didn't she?
wine.
Did she say something about she was out drinking?
She said she only drinks wine, hates spirits, which is like the heavy shit.
Yeah,
I
but she
guess.
was like, she doesn't like beer, but I thought she said she was out drinking with her or something. I can't remember. Click on like the other shit.
Bought lots of new jewelry and blah blah blah. Let's see. He just fixed the log.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one where she drink. Had a drinking problem. She didn't say that she drank with her.
Well, fucking.
Well, I'll go
Be
call
back
the
later
fucking
on
chief.
if that's okay.
I'll be back later on.
I got some information.
I'll go give a ring to the chief.
Back to North Road.
Yeah, I think you can click on the map if you.
Oh yeah, that's true. Just skip the whole damn thing.
Yeah, phone box.
Yeah.
Hello, chief.
Well, at least he'll answer the fucking phone this time. I'm trying to wait for this.
Chief? It's Jenks. I've questioned Simon Thompson and Emma Bowman so far. I went to find a pendant by the lake, which turns out to have been Emma's. But Emma gave it to Kate. So, chances are, Kate was wearing it the night she drowned.
How does Thompson know about it?
Simon doesn't seem to know much.
I don't trust Thompson. Then again, I don't trust Emma that much either. Try and get a bit of background on them, you know, usual stuff.
He doesn't trust
When
them. He's
did Emma
never
meet
met them
Kate?
once.
How
Yeah.
long have they known each
I
other?
don't trust anybody.
How long has Thompson known her? Give me a call back when you've got some more.
Thanks, Chief.
Thanks, Chief.
Yep. So obviously there's a contradiction there.
Oh yeah. Now I gotta go back.
Yeah. Just have to figure out what it is.
I'm just gonna click on everything, but like half the shit is pretty much contradiction.
A few more questions,
Yeah.
please.
We've heard
Thank
him
you.
say the contradictions. We just don't know what to click on to get it.
Contradictions will appear here and here. Last saw Kate at Atlas, meeting last Friday. Okay, for 3 months. Didn't socialize with Kate outside of Atlas.
Mm-hmm.
Kate often seemed drunk. I don't think the license gave me anything.
No, can't talk about the key.
Bike belongs to
Bike didn't do anything.
You never know. Makes his own homebrew. So
Yeah.
he drugged her and raped her. I don't think I asked him about this shit anyway, but I just
No,
gave
he
it to him.
did. Hold
Tried
on.
selling it, but only seemed.
Do the broken pendant again.
Yeah, it
the
was
freedom
this one.
necklace.
I think Emma had a similar necklace.
Kate wore the necklace at college. Click on that one.
Yeah, he doesn't. He never talked to her outside of Atlas. Where the hell's college?
And
Didn't socialize.
yeah, maybe
You bastard!
something. Can't remember what it was.
I need Google.
Hold on. Hit exit again.
Exit to this or exit?
Exit.
Thank you. Probably be back later.
You can hit something that'll give you a light bulb,
The hint
maybe.
thing, Yeah.
Yeah, obviously.
Well, no shit. I'm clicking it. Like, what the fuck?
I can't remember.
Emma had a complete necklace to which kind of gave it to Kate.
We should probably pay more attention to this.
I know, like I'm just fucking laughing at his accent. I'm not even paying attention to what he's saying. Click here to see all replies. I don't want. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna. Maybe it's Kate. It has to be Kate.
Ask you a couple more things, please.
Things, please. Gave it to Kate.
Mm-hmm.
Called a freedom necklace. Bought lots of new jewelry. Why the fuck? An unwanted gift. Oh my god. Fixed the lock. What does this fucking key do anyway? Kate appeared. Argumentative, I call it.
Well, you know what? We're gonna figure out on next episode.
Oh, thank God.
We're actually gonna figure it out during the break so we can know what to click on, so people can
Jesus.
just stop watching us fucking be retarded.
Terrible.
Yep. All right. So next.